And we have breaking news we're following here at noon on WRAL. Two big stories. Republican Jefferson Griffin has conceded in the race for the North Carolina Supreme Court seat, and the State Board of Elections Director Karen Brinson Bell will be let go. First off, we start with the North Carolina Supreme Court race and Republican Jefferson Griffin conceding this morning. Good afternoon to you. I'm Jeff Hogan.
And I'm Renee Chu. Thanks for joining us. Griffin sent a statement to the Associated Press saying he would not appeal a federal court ruling in favor of Justice Allison Riggs. WRAL's Laura Leslie is live at the State Supreme Court building in Raleigh. Laura, it's been plenty of legal back and forth up to this point.
It's been a long journey on this one, 6 months, I think, Renee. But, you know, Griffin's decision comes just 2 days after a judge ruled late Monday night, that's federal judge Richard Meyer, saying that all the votes that Griffin was attempting to challenge in this election must be counted. Meyer stayed that decision for 7 days to give Griffin a little bit of time to appeal that decision to the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals. But Griffin said today he will not do that. Incumbent Democrat Allison Riggs received 734 more votes than Jefferson Griffin in last fall's election. That's even after there were three recounts, actually. Griffin challenged those results, saying tens of thousands of ballots should not have been counted because those voters' files were incomplete in a state database, or because they never lived in North Carolina, or because they were military voters who had not been required to show ID. In his ruling Monday night, Myers bluntly dismissed all of Griffin's challenges, saying you can't change the rules of an election after the election has been conducted. In a statement, Griffin said that would be the final word. As a judge, I believe everybody, myself included, has a right to their day in court. This effort has always been about upholding the rule of law and making sure that every legal vote in an election is counted. Griffin went on to say, while I do not fully agree with the district court's analysis, I respect the court's holding. I will not appeal the court's decision. Griffin's concession clears the way for Riggs to be certified as the winner of that race, finally closing the book on the only election still resolved in this entire country. And just minutes ago, Riggs released a statement thanking the voters who were challenged for standing with her. I'm glad the will of the voters was finally heard. 6 months and 2 days after Election Day, it's been my honor to lead this fight, even though it never should have happened, she said in her statement. We've asked for interviews with both of the candidates, and we hope to bring those to you later today. Laura Leslie, WRAL News, live in Raleigh.